Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. 7 drinks and products that are unexpectedly beneficial for diabetics. Scientists called 7 unexpected products that will help diabetics better control blood sugar levels. Every diabetic knows how important nutrition is in his case. There are well-known product groups that are useful or harmful to diabetics. And the experts named 7 products and drinks that allow better control of blood sugar, which few people suspect. 1. Peanut butter. Many diabetics have heard how delicious and useful peanuts are for them. However, Brazilian researchers paid attention to peanut butter. They divided the participants into 3 groups. The first consumed about 40 grams of peanuts, in the second, 3 tablespoons of peanut butter for breakfast, and in the third, neither one nor the other. Everyone received the same breakfasts from white bread and strawberry jam. It was in the peanut butter group that the level of sugar control in the blood was the best, and the longest feeling of satiety was also provided here. 2. Red wine. Red wine reduces the level of sugar in the blood, not allowing the intestines to absorb glucose. Numerous scientists have studied the effects of red wine on excess weight and blood sugar levels. However, only moderate consumption of wine is useful. 3. Onion extract. A recent study showed that eating onion extract reduces cholesterol and provides a stable level of sugar in the blood. Its authors emphasize that onion extract can soon be used as an additional therapy for diabetes. 4. Garlic. Along with onions, garlic also has the ability to reduce blood sugar levels. A study involving rabbits showed that garlic has this effect. Alas, you need to consume too much garlic to achieve the desired result, which is not safe for diabetics and breathing people around them. 5. Vinegar. The researchers found that apple cider vinegar increases sensitivity to insulin and reduces the number of jumps in blood sugar, especially after eating starch-containing food. This was observed in the body both in patients with type 2 diabetes and with prediabetes. A good way to control blood sugar levels is to use a mixture of apple cider vinegar and water before eating. 6. Eggs. Researchers have proven that overweight people who eat 2 eggs for breakfast each day lose 65% more weight compared to those who receive the same breakfast without eggs. Perhaps this is due to the fact that eating eggs prevents changes in blood sugar, allowing better control of appetite. 7. Dark chocolate. In 2011, researchers concluded that dark chocolate increases insulin sensitivity and helps control blood sugar levels. Moreover, it was found that a moderate amount of dark chocolate reduces blood pressure, bad cholesterol and improves the patency of blood vessels. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.